All right, guys. So it's pushing about 6 o'clock in the morning, 6:30. These guys are next door doing a site that we're going to be doing next year. That's kind of funny. Just kidding, sort of. But out here right now, it's about 6:30 in the morning. My voice is going. I've been up for quite a while. I tried to take about an hour and a half nap earlier yesterday, if you will, for about an hour and a half. Kind of caught up on a little bit of sleep. The toughest snowstorms, the snow finishes at 7 a.m. on a weekday. And the second hardest snowstorm is when it finishes basically at midnight. And that's not terrible, obviously, but if you've been up since 6 or 7 a.m. that day, it can be a challenge because eventually you will get tired no matter what at 4 or 5 in the morning. I'm due for a coffee, I'll tell you that. All right, so really quick, Ryan's over here plowing these last little couple bits. I'll try to get some plow footage for you guys here. Cleaning some lanes around. There you go. We cleaned out all the loading docks. The rest of this looks good. I just got a salt. We ended up getting one more hopper full of salt. There you go. I love this truck. There we go. I think he's coming down this lane next. And I do love that truck, by the way. That truck is so clean. That Boss 92 is really, really beautiful. Not too shabby. That truck is so nice. First snowplow event, and I'd say we got every bit of a good 2.5 inches of snow when it's finally all said and done. Admittedly, looking good, looking good. I'd say admittedly, it was only probably about 1.5 inches, 2 inches at most, but that last little bit definitely did come down and got us every bit to 2.5, maybe 2.5, 3 inches of snow. In this lane, Ryan's gonna probably push this all up here and then bring it all back at us. That's why he's got some spillover. This is tight because you got these like 2 little weird islands, and our trucks are just too big for this little area. Looking good.
Hey, I learned from the best.
I learned from the best. We all learn from YouTube. I learn, you learn, we all learn from YouTube. Let's go. You forgot to drop the plow, honey. I remember my first time. There you go.
At least I knew to go slow over those speed bumps over there and not break the plow.
This is the site. Was it last year? I got the new truck and I went over those speed bumps and it tripped the coil packs or something like that. That was the issue. It was a coil pack wiring issue. That was so ridiculous. But at least it was at 3 o'clock in the morning. We finished up the plow run. There you go. All right, guys, well, do me a solid. Whatever temperature it is out here, we should get that many likes times 100. So if it's 11 degrees out, should see 1,100 likes on this video. Can you guys help me out? It is freaking cold. I'll tell you guys that. So if you guys are enjoying the videos and the vlogs, who else is grabbing you guys snowplow footage at 5 o'clock in the morning, 6 o'clock in the morning? There you go. All right, how many get the video to 1,000 likes? Let's go. Appreciate you guys, man. I love you guys. Let's make it happen. All right, let's keep going. Let me go. I'll come back.
As you're editing this, you get to hear my deep breathing.
Grab up by that door. Like go by that door.
Yeah,
I'll
with
back up to you.
with the
Salter.
oh, with the salter. Yeah,
Yeah, I'm gonna come back up. Yeah. I'm trying to get some good tight shots.
yeah.
That's all I really need. Yeah, you're good. All right, fam. Well, we are back at the house and just finished up our last couple sites. It's right at 8 o'clock in the morning. So that has been a solid about 8-hour plow run. So there you go. Plow and salt. Mr. Ryan driving the truck, pretending like he knows what he's doing.
I don't know what I'm doing because all the cameras are blue. Every single one of them.
They just turned off? No.
So that lights also stopped flickering again.
What in the world, bro? Come on, what is it with electrical, man? That's not cool. You got the backup cam?
No.
Really?
Nothing.
Why? Just back up yet another foot.
Yeah, it's not coming.
You're good. Right there's good. You're good. Just cut the power, pop the door, and then see if it resets. There you go. I think I saw Rob and Mark over there. Oh, they're over there. I think they're making a loop around to come back the trailer in. Yep. One thing I will show you guys really quick, actually 2 things I'll show you guys really quick. I have some new jackets for the guys. If you guys are part of Link, just so you guys know, we've got a really cool, let me show you guys these jackets really quick. Hey, if you guys are not part of our private Facebook group called Link, want to shoot you guys a quick invite to check that out. We got a growing community of 230 people and a lot of great things happening in there. One thing I will say is that if you're not part of Link and you do decide to join, that's our private Facebook group. Great community of folks, weekly live streams at 9, great big dog guest speaker once a month. I think on the 22nd we have Troy Clog lined up, which is awesome. I will say we're going to go to $49 a month for the group, which is still a steal. It's ridiculous. But if you guys are part of the membership and part of the community already, $29 in, locked in, pretty much for life. Best we're going to do it. So we're going to raise the rate though. That was based off a lot of feedback from you guys and what other people are charging for their communities. I think we've got one of the best ones out there for sure. If you guys are on the grow from 0 to 500,000, going to 1 million plus, 100% one of the best groups you guys can plug into. So check out Lawntrepreneur Academy link. Invite you guys, I'll leave a link in the description. You can check out our community. And it's really, really cool what we got going on in there. But then number 2, let me see if I can pop these open here. These are some new high-vis jackets I wanted to get. Just continuously working on marketing and branding for the guys. So these are from High Vis Supply. I think like .com or something. I'll try to leave a link in the description. You guys can check these out as well. So these are the jackets. Oh boy. Hopefully I got the right sizes. I guess. So there you go. This is a 2XL. I think that's for Rob. And then I think I got, this is a large, which might be for Ryan and myself. What's that? Watching them back up. Hey, are you large, right?
Sure.
Here, throw that. Just check that out. See if you like that. That's the new jackets. Oh, are we doing the musical chairs? Oh my God, they overshot the driveway by 20 feet. Nice. Let me see these in the meantime. I got a couple 2XLs for Rob, or at least one. I think I got an XL for you and an XL for Mark. What's this?
It's the branding.
Well, yeah, high vis.
Shout them out.
High vis. There you go. GSSsafety.com. So these are our new jackets. I did not get them embroidered just because we're going to be sprucing up the Brian's Law Maintenance logo here. All you plow guys out there, I probably talked to 5 or 6 different buddies tonight for 45 minutes each. My voice is rasp. It's hoarse. It's gone. We're all chat like all little girlfriends. Hey, what are you thinking about the stew? All right, look at the jacket. Look at the jacket. Peep it. Check it out. Oh, look at you.
I'm a little big penguin.
Look at you. I like that, bro. It's got that safety vis.
Yeah.
So that's a large. So that can go over your jacket, your refrigerator jacket.
Yeah.
That looks pretty sharp, dude. You look like a giant stromboli, but all red, everything.
I can figure out where the pockets were.
There you go. Turn around. Give me a little 360. Ooh, there you go. You look good. That's good though, because again, I wanted to get some branding on point for us when we're out in the snow. I've made tons of investments. We've got refrigerator jackets and boots for the guys. Bought it all with our own money. Love refrigerator. They've been great. We're not an affiliate partner with them or anything. That stinks, but it is what it is. Those are the boots, by the way. These boots are freaking sweet. I've got some Columbias that I sport once in a while, but like thick, deep snow, that's the refrigerator is what I wear.
If you have somebody that really rolls their ankle a lot,
Yeah.
or like has an issue with being steady or actually on their feet,
Sure.
these are the ones to get
Those are the ones to get.
because it really hugs your ankles and hugs your legs.
Yeah. Food truck delivery service, guys. Negative 57 degrees Celsius. I don't know what that is in Fahrenheit. 12. At plus minus 32, right? You guys remember all those things? But refrigerator's got great quality product, but none of it's in red and black. Forgive me, my voice is going. So I want to get these larger coats that just go on the outside of our shell. So I don't know where the guys are at with the four-wheeler for crying out loud. We're just going to wrap it up right here. I'll check out or leave links in the description if you guys want to check out High Vis Supply, a link, all that mess. Just some stuff that I think I mentioned in this video. But appreciate you guys watching in. And man, let's get this thing to like 1,000 likes. Amen. All right. Appreciate it. An outro with the backup skills. Maybe we'll do a short. All right, see you guys.